Hello everybody, this is my last kit of the year. I've built 5 this year. I planned to build about 12 but circumstance and everything else. Anyway, keeping positive, this is the one flown by Neville Duke in 1941 in Libya. He went on to beat the speed record in the Hawker Hunter in the 1950s, I believe, but when he was busy doing the war he'd fly this in Libya. It's the Airfix kit, the starter set kit, and the brown paint, the light brown paint, had dried up by the time it got to me, but I mixed some more myself. It's easy enough. Just get some dark earth, some white and a bit of yellow, and you can approximate what they would normally supply. I think it's Tumbrel 93 is what they use. I don't know if you can make it out, but I've got light, bit of dry brushing of light grey on the leading edges to simulate a slight amount of weathering. Similarly on the edge of the propeller, which moves, which is always a tricky thing to ensure. The legs on the P40 Tomahawk always seem a bit fragile to me, but if you're careful they'll be strong enough to hold their own weight on the model. I've done a little bit of a smoke impression on the underside coming from the engine, and the my brain isn't fluent today. You wouldn't think English was my first language, would it? The exhaust port, gun ports where the bullets come out, or whatever that happens. There's the main guns, but I've done smoke there, and a little bit of a brown effect where there might be sand or dirt on the wheels and on various surfaces underneath. You can see maybe a bit of brown dirt on there. Anyway, I've used timing tape for the harnesses inside. Not a bad kit. I've built this kit before, specifically the last kit of last year, and now this is the African theatre of the kit. Not much to say really. It's the 172 scale kit from Airfix. Quite easy to put together, and the framing on the cockpit canopy is quite easy to mask off with a bit of timing tape, and I use white glue to glue it in because it dries clear. That's about it really. It's such a simple kit, and I'm happy enough with it. This is the one I built last year. Come on. Oh, see, exactly the same, different camouflage. See it again? Oops. Main difference is because it's a starter set, you don't get the decals, you get the stencils, so the propeller manufacturer and details aren't on the other details aren't on the props, and you haven't got any walk gear, step gear, or indicators for where various hatches are, which you would get on another kit with full stencil detail. The shark mouth was, or tiger teeth, whatever way you want to look at it, was a bit difficult to, more tiger teeth, there's a fang with it. They were a bit difficult to put on, but considering the shape of the underside, it would be tricky to do them otherwise. But yeah, that's about it. Nothing to say really apart from that, but I hope you've liked my models being displayed this year. I've lost 3 subscribers, but that's up to them. If they don't want to watch, that's their business. I'm not going to be chasing subscribers, but if you do come across this video, please subscribe. I don't always do model airplanes. The channel's named after me because it's just things that I like rather than specific things which I do. So there we are. Have a happy autumn, and if you celebrate Christmas, have a happy Christmas, and there you go. I'll leave it as that. You might see about other videos this year, but that's all my model videos for the year. So again, thank you for watching, bye bye.